Customizing your Ecwid store allows you to create a unique shopping experience for your customers. Here's how to do it. Log into your Ecwid dashboard. Visit Ecwid and sign in. Navigate to website Storefront Design to access customization options. Choose a design theme. In Storefront Design, select a theme that suits your brand. You can choose from the pre-designed themes or keep the default one and modify it. Edit store appearance. Adjust colors, fonts, and buttons to match your brand identity. Upload your logo and customize the header and footer to add a professional touch. Customize product pages. Go to Settings, Product List. You can control how products are displayed, including layout, product image size, and the number of items per page. Modify store labels and categories. Use SEO and categories options to customize product categories and create specific labels. This helps customers find products easily. Use custom CSS. If you have web design experience, go to Design Custom CSS to apply advanced styling for deeper customization. Preview and publish changes. Review your changes in the preview mode, then click Publish to make them live.